Hey there everyone, this is Dr. Dan. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through what to expect from Module 1, Lesson 4. So this one is all about Boolean logic, specifically with relational operators, unary operators, and conditional operators. So taking a deeper look at the code, you'll see what does that mean. We're going to take a look at the greater than, how to use greater than equals, less than equals, is equals, and not equals. As far as relational operators, we'll look at the not symbol as well as the or and the and. So you can basically see this is again meant to be code that kind of comments itself through the actual output of the program. So the way that the program works is it just takes in two integers. So you just type in like a 4 and a 7 for instance, and it will print out all these different operators as well as the result. So you can kind of see how this works in the code, as well as the code itself will print out the result. So you can really learn how that logic works. Does it again with the not symbol to kind of teach you how that works. Ands and ors, and then later on, if I type in two more numbers such as 6 and 8, it'll basically do some more complex logic for you using these ands and ors. And again, this is just meant to be a basic exposure to Boolean logic, and in future lessons you'll actually use some of these in practice, and we'll practice through thinking these things. But obviously hope to see you guys on hellodrdan.com for the full-length video tutorial, and there I'll really take my time to explain how each of these is working. And yeah, hope to see you guys there.